How do we solve problems? A great approach to solving problems is applying John Dewey's method, known as the process of inquiry. Inquiry, according to Dewey, is the controlled or directed transformation of an indeterminate situation into one that is so determinate in its constituent distinctions and relations as to convert the elements of the original situation into a unified whole. Dewey, L. 12-8. I focused on this when I wrote a master's thesis in education, when considering the relationship between critical thinking and John Dewey's inquiry process. But the process is like this. 1. Discover problems. 2. Identify problems. 3. A solution idea. 4. Justify the solution. 5. Try the solution. 6. Criticize the results. 7. Accept the results or continue the study. Discovering a problem. First, we need to realize that there is a problem. We recognize it when we see something uncomfortable happening, something that causes pain, or when something disturbs us. This fills us with doubt, makes us confused, makes things unintelligible, and causes us to discover problems around us. Identify a problem. Once we realize there's a problem, we need to understand it. Is it something that only we experience or something that more people notice? What exactly bothers us? We need to define and understand the problem well before moving on. We need to gather facts and understand the exact nature of the problem. Suggested solution. Possible solutions must be offered once the problem is identified. These solutions are based on past experience, knowledge, and the nature of the problem. This solution is only one of many possible solutions, and it does not necessarily have to lead to the problem being solved, although we think it is likely. Justification of the solution. This possible solution needs to be investigated through logical thinking, which involves considering the potential results and products of the solution and trying to see how it will work on the problem. Try out the solution. Once a solution that works has been found, it must be tried. These experiments can be subjective or practical, but the key is to apply the solution to the problem and see what happens. Critical results. After the experiments, we need to reflect on the results. Did the solution solve the problem? What did we learn from this? These reflections are necessary to understand whether the study should end here or continue. Accept results or continue the study. The inquiry process is completed if the problem has been solved. If the problem continues or new issues arise, the process must be resumed, keeping all the information the previous study gave us in mind.